Hello everyone, welcome back to the next section. So here we're gonna take a look at the channel mixer adjustment. So this is really complicated and this is a part of color correction. Well, we all know the digital images are made with three basic color sets: red, green and blue. Red, green and blue. So that will form the RGB and it will make the image colorful. Well, here we are discussing about the channel mixers. That's three channels and it's mixing. So when I selected here, you can see four color sliders, then some preset menu as usual, then the output channel, then we have monochrome option. We are familiar with the previous as we discussed in the previous sections, but this is a little bit different in correction. We are selected the we can select three channels here, that's red, green, blue. When we move any of the slider, the first one is red, then green, blue. When we move any of the slider, it changes only the red color. Even if we change or even if we move the green or blue sliders, let's check it out. So this is the red color slider. When I keep it higher, look at that, it makes more reddish as usual because it's red slider. Now if I choose or if I seek the green slider, the green portions here will become more red color. Let me show you. When I keep this, or let's make or import another image because there is no green available here. Okay, this is perfect. Let's select the channel mixer and keep the red color higher. Look at that, this area become more reddish. Then when I keep the green, here we have a lot of green, but this is too dark. Well, that's no problem. Keep it higher. Everything or green pixels also become more reddish. And also when I move the blue one, blue also become more reddish because we selected the output channel, that's red. We can go back, then select the green one, green channel. So what will happen, every pixels or every channels will become more green. When I keep the red higher, look at that, then the green, then the blue. This happening. This is channel mixer. Here you can see the total that's presented plus 100 here. So when I seek any of the color higher, look at that, there is a signal symbol will present here. Actually it's a warning, total greater than 100. An optimum image for an optimum color correction, we can't exceed the color up to 100. Or there is no requirement, we can do whatever we want, but if you want a balanced color, you can choose 100 or less than 100. So that is a good value. So this is available here. So where we can use this, images with highlighted colors or images with more saturated red, blue or green colors, you can use this channel mixer to reduce or increase that colors, or to reduce the saturation or to increase the saturation of particular colors. So this is the use of channel mixer. And I keep it down, look at that, it become more cyan because the opposite color of red is cyan. Then when I keep the red color, I selected here. Also when I keep the green color slider to back, it become more cyanish. Look at that. And also the blue goes cyanish. Otherwise green and blue value have opposite colors. Okay, then the monochrome. I select the monochrome. What is monochrome? A photograph or picture developed or executed in black and white or in varying tones of only one color. That's varying tones of only one color. So when I move this, look at that, I selected monochrome, the red area become more white. Then I keep it, every area become more dark. And also the green goes the same, the green areas become more white, the blue areas become more white. Then we can play around with the constant. So this is all about the channel mixer adjustments. I hope this is perfect. I hope this clear because it's one of the important and used for color correction. Thank you.